Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick rip here. I picked up one pack on eBay. We got some Topps Chrome 2019 update. So this is only 4 cards. Hopefully we get lucky and hit one of the big rookies of 2019. This looks like this is a retail pack. Doesn't say hobby on it, so probably came out of a blaster. So we're looking for Vlad Guerrero Jr. rookies, Tatis rookies, Pete Alonso. Those are the top 3 that I'm looking for. So let's see if we can get lucky here. Bad rip. Got a Ketel Marte All-Star Game. Oh, nice! You got a Pete. Oh, it's the All-Star Game. I don't have that one. That's pretty cool. Rookie. Whit Merrifield and Ozzie Smith. Pretty cool. Yeah, we got the Pete. Got the Pete Chrome. That's one of the big dogs we were looking for. That's not his base rookie, but it's the All-Star Game rookie. And that's a pretty good score. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm doing a giveaway Saturday, so the video's been posted. If you're new here, go check out the giveaway video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.